The truth you avoid every morning and how it limits you. If you stopped lying to yourself for just one day, would your entire life fall apart? This question is not meant to shock you for entertainment. It is meant to shake you awake. Most people live their entire lives behind soft stories that protect their comfort. But comfort is a quiet trap. And the truth is the edge that cuts it open. You wake up. The alarm rings. You tell yourself 5 more minutes, even though you have never once taken only 5 more minutes. You pick up your phone. You say you will check one thing. You fall into a digital hole that steals 20 minutes from your day. You stand in front of the mirror and whisper that you look tired. The truth is that you stayed up too late again, and you knew it the moment you opened your eyes. I am Wasson. I am not here to make you feel safe. I am here to make you feel awake. This is Learn English Listening, a place where your English grows because your mindset grows first. A place where you stop hiding behind excuses and begin speaking with clarity. A place where every lesson about life becomes a lesson in English. Before we go further, I want to ask you something real. Which city are you joining us from, and what hour is it there? Take a moment. Type it in the comments. Your answer matters because honesty starts with small truths. Even simple truths about time and place. Right now, let us return to you. Not the version you show people. The version that whispers inside your mind when the room is dark. The version that knows you are capable of more but keeps standing still. The version that deserves better than the comfortable lies you repeat every morning. This is where your new beginning starts. With one truth, spoken out loud. Ready or not, we are going deeper. Look closely at your mornings. They reveal everything. You tell yourself small stories to stay comfortable. You whisper that you are tired. You claim that you will start fresh tomorrow. You promise yourself that you need only a little more time. But deep down, there is a quiet truth. You are not avoiding tasks. You are avoiding yourself. Think about the moments you rarely talk about. You wake up already feeling behind. You glance at your goals and feel a pressure rising in your chest. You feel the weight of your unfinished plans, your abandoned habits, your forgotten promises. You know exactly what you should do, but your mind reaches for comfort instead of courage. It tells you that you are busy. It tells you that you will get to it later. It tells you that you need the perfect moment to begin, and the perfect moment never arrives. There is a hidden reason behind all of this. Your brain is trying to protect your identity, not your progress. If you admitted the truth, it would hurt. The truth would force you to face the gap between who you are and who you want to be. The gap between your intentions and your actions. The gap between your potential and your reality. So your brain chooses the softer path. The path of gentle deception. The path of small lies dressed as self-care. But every soft lie adds one more brick to the wall that surrounds your life. Soon, the wall becomes your routine. Your routine becomes your identity. And your identity becomes a cage made of your own words. Let me ask you something personal. Have you ever carried a burden no one else could see? A silent pressure, a quiet fear, a heavy truth about yourself that you hide behind productivity or jokes or busyness. If you have felt that, then you already understand the cost of self-deception. You cannot change what you refuse to acknowledge. You cannot rise while your thoughts pull you down. And you cannot grow until you choose to see your life with unfiltered honesty. Today, we begin that work. Now we open the hidden door. The place where your brain hides the truth from you. Inside your mind, there are 2 systems. One system knows the truth. The other system creates the story that helps you survive the truth. The second system is louder, stronger, and faster. It edits your life in real time so you can feel comfortable even when you are stuck. Your brain does not prioritize honesty. It prioritizes comfort. It gives you a soft explanation when the hard reality feels too heavy. It tells you that you are fine even when you are not. It tells you that you will change soon even when you never do. It tells you that you can handle everything even when you are close to collapse. Here are 4 of the most common ways your mind hides the truth from you. First is the comfort zone. You think it is safe, but it is only familiar. Familiarity feels like protection, but it quietly steals your growth. Second is the tomorrow trap. Your mind treats your future self as a stranger, so it gives all responsibility to tomorrow, and tomorrow never arrives. Third is the comparison illusion. You compare your unfiltered self to the polished version of others. You forget that you see your entire struggle while you see only their highlight reel. Fourth is the time thief. You say you have no time, but you lose hours to distraction and stress and avoidance. Time is not disappearing. You are spending it without intention. Now let us connect this to English learning. There are 3 phrases you need to understand deeply. The phrase, face the truth, means to confront reality with courage. The phrase, false comfort, means a soft lie that convinces you to stay the same. The phrase, the hard reality, means the raw truth that can set you free if you stop running from it. Before we move to the next part, I want to know something. What small habit are you trying to improve this month? Type your answer. When you write it down, you begin to change it. This is the moment where everything becomes clear. You are not trapped by your circumstances. You are trapped by the stories you keep telling yourself. Stories that feel soft on the surface but cut deep into your potential. Stories that promise safety but deliver stagnation. You have said these stories so many times that they feel like truth. You believe that you are not a morning person. You believe that you work better under pressure. You believe that you need the perfect moment to change. But these are not truths. These are survival narratives created by your brain to shield you from discomfort. Let me show you something powerful. Growth does not require motivation. It requires honesty. And honesty feels like a fire at first. It burns away the excuses that have protected you for years. It exposes the gap between your intentions and your actions. But once the fire passes, what remains is clarity. Clarity that has been waiting inside you all along. This is the emotional turning point. Take a breath. Look at your life without the soft filters. Every delay came from a story. Every mistake came from a story. Every missed opportunity came from a story. And every story can be rewritten. English also gives you 2 phrases that capture this transformation. The phrase, break the cycle, means to interrupt a pattern that has controlled you for too long. The phrase, hold yourself accountable, means to tell the truth about your actions without excuses. Let me ask you something important. If you could change just one thing about your work week, what would it be? Say it. Write it. Type it. The act of naming it gives you power over it. You are standing in the space between the life you pretend to live and the life you could actually build. This moment right here determines which direction you move. Not tomorrow, not next week. Right now. You have one choice. Speak the truth, or stay inside the lie, and you already know which one leads to the life you want. Let us slow the pace for a moment, not to make you comfortable, but to make you clear. The truth is not an enemy. It is a guide. It is the map that shows you exactly where your life is stuck. When you stop resisting it, you begin to heal. You are not broken. You are not lazy. You are not weak. You are simply human. And humans hide from the truth when they do not know how to face it. So let me give you 4 tools. Simple, direct, practical. Tools that help you build honesty in small steps that your mind can accept. The first tool is the 5-second truth. Pause for 5 seconds before you explain any behavior. 5 seconds of silence will reveal what you really feel. The second tool is the mirror interrupt. Look at yourself in the mirror and say out loud the lie you repeat most often. Your face will tell the truth faster than your mind can hide it. The third tool is the daily accountability line. Write one sentence each night. What truth did I avoid today? No judgment, just awareness. The fourth tool is the one lie challenge. For 7 days, choose one lie you will no longer say. Only one. But that one choice will shift your entire identity. These tools are not dramatic. They are small. But small tools used consistently create real change. They help you grow with discipline instead of pressure, with clarity instead of fear, with honesty instead of excuses. You do not need a new life. You need a new level of truth. This is the final moment. The moment where you decide whether this video becomes another soft memory or the beginning of a new direction. Let me speak clearly. The truth does not destroy you. Avoiding the truth does. Every time you hide from it, you lose a little more of your strength. Every time you face it, you gain a little more of your life back. You have,